In the months following Hurricane Matthew, one of our favorite clients, STEADFAST Marine, hired us to come and inspect 5 of their clients' docks. We're looking for hurricane damage, obviously. This is one of our favorite ways of being able to inspect the bottom of a dock using a line and spool. And when we go out and look for things, one of the things that we find is sea life. This is what a shrimp looks like when it's alive and in its natural environment. I try to wake it up here, and boom, there it goes. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for broken pilings. This is just a piece of a piling. You see part of it sticking out of the mud there, but I'm not really going to worry about that too much. This is what I'm really looking for, is a full-size piling underneath of a floating dock. It's about 60 feet long. If the bottom of a boat motor were to hit that, or if somebody were to jump off the dock and onto that, it could cause some injury, some damage to the boat. Here's a second piling. And I noticed that this one wasn't laying flush on the bottom. And that's why. There's a dock ramp underneath of it. Let's check that out. Yep, that's an aluminum dock ramp.
Here and the pile in there, they're both laid over in the same direction. One's sticking up because it's sitting on the dock ramp. They both got to come out.
That's right. So now we're going to perform a salvage with the rest of the STEADFAST crew, including the Lady May and her barge and crane.
Look at that. Job well done. Woo-hoo-hoo!
There's the first piling. There's the dock ramp. And of course the second piling. Thanks to STEADFAST Marine. Thank you, Stephen, for the work. And thank you, Jordan, for your assistance as well. Appreciate it very much.